Hi guys, I'm Oliver from Photog 101 and welcome to my channel. Okay, so there are questions that arise upon discussing polynomial function. Okay? Sir, how can we determine if the given function is a polynomial function if there is no negative exponent? Sir, how can we determine if the given is a function if it is written or the given function is written in factored form? Okay? So, always remember that by definition, polynomial function, it is a function that contains a positive integral exponent. So, meaning to say that the exponent must be a positive integers. Okay? So, ano ba yung mga example ng mga integers? Actually, di ba, when we say positive integers, it is a whole numbers. Okay? A whole number. Even 0 is a whole numbers. Okay? So, you just simply look at the exponent. If the exponent of the variable contains a positive whole numbers, meaning to say that it is a polynomial function. If you see any exponent that is negative, not a whole number, meaning to say that the given is not a polynomial function. Okay, so let us have an illustrative example for you to understand more about how to determine if it is a polynomial function or not. Okay, so let us have the first one. Okay, so y is equal to 3x cubed minus 5x plus 10x squared minus 2. Is this a polynomial function? Okay. Let us recall the definition of a polynomial. Does it contain a positive integral exponent? Look at the exponent of all the variables of x. They are all positive, right? They are all whole numbers. So meaning to say that this is a polynomial function. As simple as that. So let us have another example. F of x is equal to x cubed over 5 plus 3x squared plus 7. Is this a polynomial function? Look at the exponent of the variable. 3, 2, and 0. They are all positive whole numbers. They are all positive integers. Okay? Or it does not contain a negative. Okay, negative integers. So therefore, this is also a polynomial function. Okay. Another example here is p of x is equal to 7x to the 6th power minus 5 over x plus 3. Is this a polynomial function? So try to look at the exponent of the variable. 6. Now, look at the variable x here. It is written as the denominator of 5. So, let us recall the topic laws of exponent. Okay? Remember that, okay, if the variables or the exponent of your variable is negative, you can also write that, okay, you just simply get okay, the reciprocal or of this expression to make it positive. Okay, you reciprocate. Okay, you reciprocate this, and it will become 1 over x raised to negative 2, right? Then change the exponent negative to positive. So, same as with this, that specific scenarios happen to this. So the reason why the variable x is written below 5, which is the denominator of 5, it is because the exponent of your variable x there is negative. Okay? So, meaning to say that you can also write this in this form. P of x is equal to 7x raised to 6 minus 5x raised to negative 1 plus 3. Okay? So, since the exponent of x is negative 1 here, to make it positive, you make this expression or variable as your denominator of 5 or as denominator of 5. So, that's the reason why it will become 5 over x. Okay? So, therefore, since the exponent of or the given expression contains a negative exponent, so meaning to say that this is not a polynomial function. So, to make it easier or for you to identify it easier without actually rewriting it, if the given expression contains a variable, okay, in the denominator, so meaning to say that there is a possibility that the given equation is not a polynomial function. Why there is a possibility? It is because sometimes you can reduce the given expression in such a way that you can cancel out the variable x. But in this case, there is no possibility that you can cancel this x, right? So, it is irreducible. So, therefore, this is not a polynomial function. Okay? So, not polynomial. So, let us have another example. Okay. Another example. So, number 4 example. So, let's say we have y is equal to x square root of 3 plus 5. Is this a polynomial function? Okay, try to look at the variable x here. If the exponent of the variable x here is 1, which is a positive integral exponent. So therefore, this is a polynomial function. How about if it is written in this form? Y is equal to square root of 3x plus 5. Okay. Is this a polynomial function? Now, try to look at the variable x. Sir, the exponent of the variable x is here is 1. No. Remember that x is inside the radical sign, which is the square root sign. And remember that if you rewrite this expression or equation in the form of exponential form, you can also write this in this form. Y is equal to the quantity of 3x raised to 1/2 plus 5. Remember, square root means raised to 1/2. Okay? So, what is the exponent of the variable x? So, the exponent of the variable x together with 3 is 1/2. Is 1/2 a whole number? Oh, no. 1/2 is positive, but 1/2 is not a whole number. So therefore, since 1/2 is not a whole number, this is not a polynomial function. Because by definition, okay, polynomial function is a function that contains only positive integral exponent. Okay? So, this is not a polynomial function. Okay? Dali ba?